Your way is not selfish, but you like things your way. Your way is thoughtful. Your way is planned, true, and productive. Most importantly, your way always has me, always has us, in mind first. Your first impression sold me. Visually striking, confident, ambitious, and underneath a fiery ball of emotion. You do the things for me that I simply could not do for myself. I love you.
Jimmy, my love. As we stand here today, I am the happiest, luckiest girl in the world. As a little girl, I always dreamed of this moment, standing at the altar on my wedding day and staring into the eyes of a man I truly love. I thank God every day for allowing us to meet and placing such a wonderful person into my life. I still cannot believe I was fortunate enough to find such a loving, selfless man to call my husband. You are the absolute love of my life, and I am blessed to be standing by your side. As our future continues to grow, I promise to encourage and support all of your endeavors. Our love is beyond what I could have ever imagined and expected to find. It is special, and I am thrilled to be standing here, creating this everlasting bond with you today. We will cherish this joyous moment for the rest of our lives, and I love you.